So, what is the difference between green tea and a regular milk tea?
Green tea is less oxidized, thereby it has more antioxidants as compared to our normal milk tea in the form of flavonoids or polyphenols, and these antioxidants are very good for our health. Antioxidants are helpful in preventing against lot of cancers. The green tea as such has mild weight loss effect. Major effect comes from the point that once you start taking green tea, you don't take regular tea anymore. Regular tea we usually take with milk as well as sugar, and these two products add calories to our regular milk tea.
So, should we add sugar or honey to our green tea? Does it really matter?
Milk tea with sugar has anywhere between 30 to 80 kilocalories depending upon how much sugar you add or how much quantity of tea you have. Whereas green tea without sugar has almost no calories. And if you take a sweetened green tea as available in the market, a single bottle can have as much as almost 200 calories in it. So it's best to have green tea without any sugar or honey adding to it.
So now we know everything about green tea. Go and enjoy yourselves.